guys, welcome back to this week's Ask Mia. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about a first-time homebuyer workshop that we're doing. We're going to partner with OVM Financial and our friend Robert Temple to bring you guys a really informative workshop that is going to be an opportunity for you guys to learn more about the home buying process. If you've been thinking about buying a home and maybe you don't know where to start, this would be a really great thing to sign up for. We're going to post the link in the description, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. It's going to be on March 26th. It's Saturday, March 26th from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. And the address for the OVM Financial building is 5040 Corporate Woods Drive, Suite 100. And we're gonna put the link in the description for you to get your ticket. It's a completely free event, but we are using the tickets to keep a head count so we know how many people are coming and how many people to bring swag bags for. So we hope to see you there and have a great day.